In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a buy two, get one free offer on Payhip. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting, this technique is a fantastic way to entice customers, increase sales, and clear some inventory. So, let's dive in, and I'll guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll want to ensure that each product you plan to include in your offer is listed individually in your Payhip store. This is crucial because the bundle feature we're using will group these pre-existing products together. If they're not already listed, you'll need to create separate product listings for each item on your store. This sets a foundation that's both organized and ready to accommodate the bundle we're about to create. Once you've got your products listed, the next step is using Payhip's product bundling feature. This is where the magic happens, because it allows you to combine 3 products into one appealing and cohesive offer. Navigate through your Payhip dashboard to find the bundling feature and begin by selecting the 3 products you want to include. You want to ensure that these selections are deliberate and appealing, perhaps a set of related items that naturally go together. This strategic grouping not only adds value for your customers, but maximizes your own selling potential. Now, setting the right price is key to making your offer. For a buy two, get one free promotion, you're looking to set the bundle price to the combined cost of just 2 of the items. So, if each product costs $10, for example, then your bundle price should be set at $20. This creates an enticing proposition for your customers where they perceive real savings. It's essential that the math checks out here, as any discrepancies in price or perceived value can lead to confusion. With your bundle now created and correctly priced, it's time to promote it. This is where your marketing skills come into play. Feature this bundle prominently in your store and use any channels at your disposal. You've got email newsletters, social media, perhaps even your website if you have one. Clearly communicate the value your customers are getting and emphasize the savings of getting that third item for free. Visual aids, such as before and after prices or even customer testimonials, can really enhance your promotional efforts. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a buy two, get one free offer on Payhip in a way that's organized and enticing for your customers. This technique is an excellent way to not just boost your sales, but also offer genuine value to your customers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips. See you next time.